There are now a series of tools online you can use to check whether an image has been AI generated or not. So if you're looking to get either AI generated art or simply the real thing by humans, these tools can help you figure that out. But are they actually accurate? Well, I grabbed 4 of what I thought looked to be some of the more popular ones, and I've thrown a series of images at them to test and see just how accurate these tools actually are. And the results are a little bit surprising. The first image I tried is quite obvious. This is a version 3 MIDJOURNEY image, and you can tell at one glance it's AI. So I head over to AI Image Detector, and there are links to these in the description. It's a simple drag and drop interface. I drop my image into the image area, hit analyze, and the results are in. It's primarily AI, highly likely created by AI. So you can tell that is a relatively accurate result from that tool. Next is AI or not. Another free one you do have to sign up for to use though, but for free, you can upload your image, drag and drop. It will load a report on the right. And again, this one is likely AI generated, so you get a pretty solid result from there too. The next tool is called Is It AI, where you can upload an image and of course it will check it. And again, this one has come back to the result. However, only about 50% roughly. So I think that's actually a pretty poor result really, considering this is quite obviously AI. But let's keep moving. Next is Illuminati, which is actually a really nice looking website and looks very professional. Again, I drag and drop my image in and it gives me a probability score of about 95%, showing that again, that's a pretty accurate reading for what is obviously an AI image. And here's the final score for what is our obvious AI image. You can see most of them are correct except for Is It AI. Didn't quite get it, I don't know why. But let's move on to another image. This is quite obviously a photo. I took it of myself, so I know it's legitimate and a photo and definitely not an AI generated image. How well do these platforms perform? We're back to the AI image detector. I pop in my photo, analyze, and the result says it's equally likely created by an AI or a human. So it wasn't able to even determine one way or the other that this is a photo. I'm going to call that a fail for that one, considering it's not one way or the other. And now on to AI or not. We drag and drop our image, likely human. So that's a very accurate result from that platform. Is It AI was not able to determine whether it was AI or a photo with a probability of 44, pretty much dead in the middle. Whereas Illuminati gave it an AI probability of 13.6%, which I think is pretty accurate considering today's level of AI. And I'd say that's some pretty 50-50 results across the board. However, it's definitely pretty consistent for AI or not so far, and Illuminati who have got both results right both times so far. So already we've tried some very obvious images and things are not looking all that great. But now I have this painting of a bull that was actually generated in MIDJOURNEY. So it's definitely made using AI, but a little bit more confusing and difficult to determine just by looking at it. But back to AI Image Detector, and the results we got from here says it's equally likely. Again, not a good result either way, so a bit of a fail. However, AI or not says it's likely AI generated. So that's a pretty good result. And then moving on to Is It AI, also highly likely AI generated. A solid result and very accurate for this AI image. Illuminati, however, deems it only about 2.8% AI probability. So that's a pretty inaccurate score for an AI image. And then the final score altogether, we've got 2 fails, 2 wins. So it looks like AI or not seems to be the most accurate so far. It's the only one that's got all 3 images, but a little bit mixed results for the others, which can be a little disappointing if these are tools you're relying on. But this next image is still pretty high quality, but it's still quite obviously AI, even just by looking at little artifacts and bits and pieces of it. It's quite obvious. So what results did it get with these platforms? Now the first 3 got that this was pretty much AI detected. As you move from each one, the results are pretty much the same, likely AI generated. And again, when you move to Is It AI, again says AI generated. But Illuminati for some reason has the opposite score of a 0.5 AI probability. So it was a bit of a fail in this particular image. But overall, you can see we've got pretty accurate reading across the board for the top 3. So pretty successful with that particular image so far. But I'm going to start increasing the difficulty a little bit. This image is actually still AI and it's quite obvious, but it's a photo bash from several different AI elements that I put together in Photoshop. There's actually a video of it on my channel if you really wanted to go find it. Now again, we have AI Image Detector, successfully detecting that this is created by AI. We move on to AI or not, and again, we get the result, likely AI generated. Skip over to Is It AI, we get the AI generated score again, and Illuminati, 29.2, still a fail, ultimately. So these results again mirror the previous image, where the top 3 seem to work pretty well, but Illuminati failing on what I think is relatively obvious imagery when you look down at the artifacts of the actual image itself. But let's move away from the AI stuff for a while. This is some digital art that I created a few years ago. A bit of a Beavis and Butthead fan. I created this one in Photoshop myself, basically creating every element with a vector mask, and I bring it into the AI Image Detector and click Analyze, and I get equally created by AI or human. So it still can't tell the difference. AI or not seems to get that it is a human-made creation, as does Is It AI, and even Illuminati gets a decent score with this one as well. So these tools did a pretty good job this time around detecting when some art that could be mistaken for AI is actually made by a human. Well, let's try something a little bit more difficult again. I have this image again. This is a photo bash of some action figures thrown together in Photoshop. Once again, I did this myself, and there's videos on the internet that I can link up if you want to check that. But what results did I get with this image? Now, there's not a single AI element in this image, and again, the result likely created by AI. So you see I've able to successfully fake AI art with my own artwork. I move on to Is It AI, and it determines that it's likely a human creation. So that's definitely refreshing. But I move on to Is It AI, and it determines it to be AI generated. Illuminati has 30.8. Considering there's not a single AI element in this image, I'm going to say that's a fail on Illuminati as well. So overall, actually some pretty poor detection across the board for this. Once again, shot this, made it myself, all with images made before AI art was really even a big thing. So I can determine that that's a pretty poor score for this particular artwork. But let's move on to something a little bit different. I have this public domain painting, which is made about 150 years ago. So it's definitely not AI generated. Some image here. It's by Sir John Lavery. You can see a bit of information about the artwork here, but what score does it get? So in the same order again, AI Image Detector declares it made by a human. However, Is It AI has declared it to be AI generated, most likely. AI or not, again, AI generated, but we move on to Illuminati and a probability of 5.1, making it a more accurate reading again. So some mixed results again, but I find the most interesting thing is some of the more reliable platforms actually got this one wrong, completely wrong. It's going to show you that it's a bit of a mixed bag what you get with these tools. But now I've got some images here, which I think are going to be the most difficult to actually determine whether they're AI generated or not. So let's see what results we get. This image was created with Leonardo AI, but I think it looks very close to a real photo. And this is when it really counts. You really want to know the difference. Sometimes it's difficult to tell. These are the tools that should make that job easy. So what are the results? In the same order as before, we have human, human again, human generated, and a low AI percentage probability, so human once more. So this is an example when you need the tool the most, and every single one of them got it wrong. This is an AI generated image using Leonardo AI or Stable Diffusion if you want to get technical, but let's try one more. Another AI generated image of a person, this time made in MIDJOURNEY. So again, we get human, and we get human again over at AI or not. However, Is It AI tends to determine that it's actually AI generated, so we got one accurate result. And finally, Illuminati, an AI probability of 1.2, so it was unable to detect the AI presence in this image. So again, we have a pretty convincing image, and we want to know whether it's AI. None of these detectors, apart from Is It AI, were able to tell us the truth. This is a pretty unreliable source as far as I'm concerned. So now you've seen each individual result, which tool actually scored the best? Now, tied for the worst platforms is actually the AI Image Detector and Illuminati, with only 4 out of 10 being detected accurately. Less than half, pretty much not worth using. Is It AI was only slightly better, with 5 out of 10, whilst AI or not did 7 out of 10, which is, I don't think it's still not that great because there's a few really bad ones in there, but overall it's still the best choice out of all these so far. The final thing I'm going to say about all this is that the results are just way too inconsistent to rely on these tools. Now, there might be a better one out there that maybe I haven't tried. This is the first time I've really tried these out. But overall, I think that if you're going to rely on a tool like this to determine whether an image is made by a human or made by AI, then you are getting some very inconsistent and probably false information. The fact that the most difficult images to determine were mostly inaccurate means that these are very unreliable, because we can tell a very obvious AI generated image from a not so obvious one. So why would we want to use these tools otherwise? Because if something is convincing, maybe you want to know if it's AI or not. And in this case, these tools just simply aren't going to cut it. But what do you think? Have you tried any tools out there that I haven't? Are there any tools out there you think are far more accurate? Pop them in the comments below and we'll give it all a try, and maybe we can do a follow-up to this video to see if there's anything more accurate out there so you can know for sure. Otherwise, that's the video for today, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider giving the video a like. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.